is massive. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe below because since we are in quarantine due to coronavirus, I will be giving y'all video after video after video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I use fresh aloe vera to get rid of any marks or redness or irritation on my face due to breakouts, scabs, whatever. Aloe vera is good for your skin. It's moisturizing. It is like a super healing power because you use it for a few days and all your stuff is gone. I've seen a lot of people posting videos of how they used it for 5 days straight. They either slept in it overnight or whatever, a mask, anything, and the results are crazy. So today we are going to try that. My face is freshly washed right now, but I want to show you some marks I have from a recent breakout. Bam! Hell is that. And on this side I have like light redness and irritation that I want to get rid of. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So my face is freshly washed now. I washed with this Enzyme cleansing gel and I followed up with this special cucumber lotion, and I will link these both below. Every time after I wash my face, I squeeze a little bit of this on a cotton round and just rub it all over. These two you're going to want to get. But make sure that every time you put the aloe on your face is fresh, cleansed, no lotions, nothing on top of it. You want it to be fresh and cleansed so it can actually work. We're going to do this for the next 5 days, or at least until my marks are gone. Okay, so we're going to cut a chunk of it off, maybe like a little less than an inch. I find it easier to cut the ends off so you can slice it down the middle. And then you have these two pieces that are extra slimy. All this goodness is gonna go on our face. So, next, I will take and cut this off. You can leave the skin on if you want and use it as like a handle, but for the first day we're going to just cut this off and put that in there. Now that that's in there, I'll take the fork. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes. The aloe has dried up and my face is tight, except for, oh shoot, and this. This is the only white spot, but you could see it is dried. I could hardly talk, but now I'm gonna wash it off with warm water. Get all this off. But I just washed my face. It feels very smooth and like super duper soft. So now I'm going to apply vitamin E oil, and I'm going to do this every single night for 5 nights. So I'll check in tomorrow and we'll take it from there. Day 3, redness and inflammation is gone. have reduced redness, reduced inflammation. The little dark pimple spot is fading away. I would definitely recommend this if you're trying to get rid of any marks, reduce wrinkle lines, reduce inflammation, get a little moisture in your skin. It's very inexpensive, very easy, quick. I will link everything below, products used, steps used, all of that. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.